have realized that every person I meet is like a box full of meaning in my life that I still don't know or understand. However, it is my job to spend time appreciating the people who I encounter and opening myself to new discoveries. For example, I did not know Carolina, who just talked, before being selected for the UIF at the end of 2017. I got to know her better while we worked together, and we realized that we are both challenge seekers. Therefore, at the end of the meetup, when the D challenge was presented, I looked into her eyes, not that look, sorry, this one, was enough to confirm we were going to work hard to achieve what it was proposed. Together with Guillermo, also a Uruguayan fellow, and with the strong support from our university's Innovation and Entrepreneurship Center, especially from Romina, we were able to introduce to more than 100 students and many professors the basics of design thinking and some of the essential mindsets for successfully working as a team. I would have never imagined having such a great opportunity, and it wouldn't have been possible if I did not have the right colleagues to achieve it. Although that was an example of how someone which I did not know got to have a significant meaning in my life due to the relationship we developed, I strongly believe that appreciating who's around us, we would also find meaning. Last October, while I was on exchange in Canada, I got to know many people. However, a little boy who must have been 4 years old approximately, one Sunday at church taught me an important lesson. He needed the help of walking sticks to walk and seemed exhausted for the long path he had to go through to accompany his mom to commune. Although she offered to carry him on her arms, he said, "No, Mom, I got this." And he kept doing his best effort until he finally walked to the front of the church. Although I did not have the opportunity to talk with this little guy, he gave meaning to that day and made me think once again about the importance of perseverance. So, what about you? Do you already have someone in your minds who gave meaning to your life? Shouldn't we think that we can also be that person on someone else's life? We have the responsibility of behaving in the way we believe it is right, being coherent with our principles and belief, because we could be that box full of meaning for many people. Take, for instance, the fellow students at our universities, our neighbors, or even the kid who is in the other side of the street, waiting as you are for the crossing sign. On every talk we have, honesty and openness are key factors to successfully give and receive. But also, walking the talk makes the circle complete. There is nobody that smart and successful that does not need help and cannot learn something new, neither someone who cannot add value and contribute to significantly impact on their surroundings. So we should avoid judging and start opening our minds. We would encounter many of those boxes through our entire life. And as soon as we open them, we would find out that all of them fit together as if they were meant to be. So fellows, I would like to ask you, how might we be prepared to unbox the meaning of others and learn how to appreciate them?